Well, hello, beautiful Geminis, and welcome back to the channel. Gemini, let's get to your angel numbers and see what your angels want you to know at this time. Angel numbers, please, for the beautiful Geminis. Ooh, taking steps, 1, 2, 3, 4. Following the master plan, aligning your goals, making progress. Have a path of faith, consistent action. Heart speak. Your prayers are answered. Resources, faith, and divine timing in your creativity and your communication. So 333 could be important. In good time, 6666. This is all happening for a reason. Support, empathy, kindness, understanding, and waiting. Earth angels, angels on assignment, spirituality, service, working with others, higher perspective, 777. Confidence, staying on the path, don't waver, keep going, take small steps and of encouragement, 4747. So it's like you could be, you may have a tough time understanding why something is happening. It's all happening for a reason. So it's like, let's find out what this is all about for you. In good time. It's all happening for a reason. What's this all about? It's all happening for a reason. It's all happening for a reason. What's this all about? Forgiveness. Waiting, waiting, waiting. This is about knowing your worth, knowing your value. We have a king and a queen. We have a power couple here. Oh, but what's the devil doing here? Someone... I don't know, is this an addiction, an obsession? Is this codependency? There could have been like... could be healing going on, or someone needs to heal something. Somebody could be like, what's this devil doing here? Could be a Capricorn with the King of Pentacles. Okay, so what's this? Is someone walking away from a marriage? Is someone walking into a marriage? Is this kind of like being codependent on family? What's going on? From dark to light, like someone may have a drinking problem. somebody's family member may have a drinking problem, or this is like arrogance and selfishness, self interest. It could have to do with making a decision, some kind of decision here. Someone just like is ignoring something or is in denial about something, or it's like having to take a leadership role here. This could be home. Someone's home life could be very stressful. A lot of fears, a lot of worries. Oh my good God. Maybe somebody is going through a lot of pain here and suffering. I don't know what this is. It's looking like it's to do with the Empress. Building a solid foundation. Someone is very happy, but somebody else is full of worry, stress, maybe going through, experiencing a lot of pain. Maybe these are health problems. I don't know. It's almost like so someone could regret. Oh, somebody could be getting a lot of karma here. I don't know if somebody is like sick, maybe they lost their job, maybe that things are going really tough. It's all happening for a reason. All this is to bring about some sort of change. All this is to make you more confident, make you more secure, know your value, know your worth. Jeez. So somebody could be very defensive or is like blaming, I don't know, blaming things on timing or blaming things on something. This could be, well, it could be someone's own actions. So someone is doing really well over here. Someone is very independent. Someone is very intuitive here. What's this about? Looking like it could be to do with a move. Someone moving sneakily here. Is this an emperor? Ooh. Is this Gemini saying we need a break? We need a rest? I'm tired. I'm feeling defeated here. I'm feeling manipulated here. I want the truth. Or talking to an angel, earth angel. Oh my good God. Somebody thinking they can manipulate and they can defeat an earth angel by being a sneak? This is protection. Somebody's mad. Somebody's fighting. Somebody's mad and they're arguing. They're mad and they're arguing about maybe, about a decision or being juggled. What is going on here? Someone could be like, someone's mean. Maybe somebody's saying something mean or belittling someone or trying to make someone feel small. It's like trying to browbeat someone or belittle someone here. Making someone feel insecure about themselves. I'm not sure where this is going. Someone could be being, oh, someone's heartbroken. Well, there's a tower here with a third party, or this is some kind of disaster, or this is some sort of someone's confused. It's like confused energy. It's almost like someone here is maybe someone's getting the consequences of their actions here. It seems to be that it's about choices, it's about consequences. It's like I don't know, Gemini. I think you're in a position here where you're trying to make some sort of choice. This is like disaster. Like something is turning out disastrous. And it's like you could be staying on the path and reflect upon the past and look deep inside yourself. What you give returns. This is the mirror in You're being asked to look in the mirror and to reflect upon the past and look deep within yourself for what you give returns to you. So if you are some sort of reaping what you sown here, move on to the next thing. Ending, full circle, starting over. New levels. Your prayers are answered and being heard. It's telling you to stay strong, be dedicated, and work for what you want here. It's like give and receive. What you put out there comes back to you. So if someone is being, you reap what you sow. If someone is going through a disaster, it is happening for a reason. It is a course correction. It is a wake-up call. It is to wake somebody or something up in a situation. Like if somebody has done somebody else dirty, they are going to get some karma here. I'm just saying it straight up. You reap what you sow is here. So you could be with someone, or you were with someone, where there was like disaster after disaster after disaster. And it's like someone has unfinished business with the karma. Karma has got to play out here. So you reap what you sow. You get what you put out there. So if someone was in, say, a third-party situation where someone was fooling around or cheating, that's going to come back on somebody. I'm not making it up. It's in the cards. If someone has done someone else dirty to get what they want, that also will come back upon someone. And you do. It's like everybody thinks there's no karma and that'll never get them. But it always does. It always does. So somebody could have done, something in secret. Somebody thought that they could get away with something. And trying to like pull the wool over someone's eyes, it's coming back on them, and it's happening for a reason. You reap what you sow. What you put out there comes back to you. And somebody may have tried to mess over an earth angel. I'm just saying. Someone who is on assignment. Full circle. What you put out comes right back to you. It's to break free from the devil's grasp. Like the devil can mean any kind of codependency. Being codependent on someone instead of independent on someone. Or addictions, or unhealthy relationships, or anything that is obsessive, anything that is too much of any one thing is not a healthy thing. So it's like somebody's wondering why their life is such a disaster, it's because of how someone has treated someone. It's the treatment, how they've treated others, how they've treated other people. It's like everybody thinks, okay, so say someone was in a third party situation and they win. Like, they know they're in a third party situation, but they want to win that person anyway. And they go ahead and they, like, I want this person. I don't care if this. I don't care if they're with somebody. I don't care if they're in a commitment. I want them. I want them. I want them. Well, that comes back. You do good, you get good. And I'm starting to think that what are these hidden enemies? It's karma, it's Saturn, it's it's like someone's being asked to, like, go into solitude, to think, to reflect. It might be time to really soul search and contemplate and do some self-care. And it's almost who or what are you relentlessly pursuing that has become an addiction? Loosen your grip and enter the unknown. And maybe somebody has formed some sort of obsession by holding on so tightly that it could be driving a wedge. Someone's ego, someone's pride. Like, someone is a warrior here. Like, if somebody was on assignment here, this could be a high priestess empress on assignment. This is a warrior. This is somebody who is an absolute warrior, has got through so much pain and suffering, and still maintains a positive attitude. Yet they had hidden enemies behind the scenes, working behind the scenes against them. This is a trooper. This is a warrior. We're talking real warrior. This is someone who has endured so much suffering, and someone plotted and schemed against them, knowing how much that they had been hurt, knowing what they had been through, and then carries on a betrayal. Like, please. Yeah, they never thought that I would come back on them. It's like turn the page, a new chapter. And it's. Let's get a few words from this person. Okay, let's get a few words. Gemini. Hmm. Someone's worst fear may be seeing you with someone else, but it could have formed like an addiction, or their worst fear could be you meeting someone new, or this person has a lot of pent up emotions and a lot of pent up energy. It's pent up energy and pent up feelings and pent up emotions. It's like it could be like repressed feelings, repressed emotions. It's like, but when they explode like someone got carrying around a lot of hurt and a lot of pain inside themselves. And when they blow, it's like a fury. It's like someone got a real bad temper. They could have a violent streak in them. They could have an abusive side to them, either emotionally or mentally. I don't know. Could be trauma. It could be trauma, you know? Why is someone feeling so empty? They're feeling empty. They're feeling, I don't know, maybe they're trying to like fill a void within themselves. It's almost like they're trying to fill a void. No, that can be alcohol, that can be drugs, that can be sex, that can be food, that can be it's someone who's trying to fill a void within themselves. And it's like they need a heal, is what they need to do. It's hard times going on. That's what it's saying. Someone's past is present, so it's someone's past is catching up to them. Someone's past needs dealt with. It keeps creeping up. Someone's past needs dealt with. It's like someone could be like self-medicating. Someone could be like trying to fill a void by having a person and holding on to that person so tight to fill that void. But the truth is, no one can fill that void except for oneself. Like, that's a tall order to fill a void in someone. That's a tough order. It's like, how do you fill someone else up? You have to fill your own cup. You have to fill your own cup in order to give. In order to receive, you've got to give. But if one person is always giving and the other person is always taking, then it will just deplete you. It's like someone is trying to fill a void within themselves. Probably, maybe with substances, maybe with drugs, alcohol, sex, food, spending money. It needs dealt with because the past is present. It's someone's past keeps coming back around, keeps coming back around. It's the endless search, like someone's always searching, but they're always feeling void. Like they'll get into a relationship or something and it's all beautiful when you first meet someone and you get all these gushy feelings and, oh, you're my soulmate and we belong together and all that. And then reality sets in and then you realize, oh my God, this is hard. And so if it's not coming, if someone's void when they get into a relationship, it's like, how can they give if there's nothing there to give? And someone might be getting mad because someone can't give, and you can't give something you don't have. Like someone has not learned to fill their own cup. Someone has not learned to, like, other people can't make you happy, other things can't make you happy, other stuff can't make you happy. It's what's inside. So someone is always searching for fulfillment, but unless they do the work, they're not ever going to feel fulfilled. Hurt people hurt people. Someone might be really mean. They might say things they don't mean. They can actually sometimes be a little bit of a tyrant or a major tyrant. Some kind of trauma here. Some kind of trauma. The past is present. It keeps coming back around because this sadness, this guilt, this remorse, and it all stems from childhood wounds. It does. And something needs healed. Take care.